This video will explain how to make the axle adjustment on a Focus CR. You will need two 13mm wrenches, and if equipped with a foot tilt mechanism, a 2.5mm hex key. First, loosen the shaft collar on the foot tilt rod. Next, remove the 4 axle plate bolts that hold the axle plates to the base tube. Remove the footlock and anti-tipper assemblies as you remove the axle plates. Next, we will slide the axle system forward, in this case, to the next hole. Simply reverse the process and reassemble the system. Take care to note the order of fasteners and washers when disassembling. Finally, adjust the footlock mechanism, ensuring that the mechanism free-releases and allows the seat to reposition when operated.